Welcome to Polymer Update TV, the world's first and only TV network with a free petrochemicals news show. It is Monday, June 15th. I am Shriyal Dhume. Our special newsreel today is sponsored by Gujarat-based Sumran Master Batch Private Limited. Let's start with energy and feedstock news. Crude futures displayed a mixed undertone last Friday. Brent futures rose as the Baker Hughes reported a fall in the number of oil and gas rigs in the US. Also, weakening of the US dollar after the US Federal Reserve announced plans to keep interest rates at near zero through 2022 further supported the price rise. WTI futures slipped after the EIA on Wednesday reported a surge in the US crude oil inventories. Brent futures gained by 18 cents, settling at $38.73 per barrel, while WTI futures fell by 8 cents, settling at $36.26 per barrel. According to Vandana Hari of Vanda Insights, a continued rise in daily cases of coronavirus infections in several US states, combined with reports of a fresh outbreak in Beijing over the weekend, was driving risk-off trade as markets opened for a fresh week in Asia. Benchmark crude futures, which broke a spell of 6 back-to-back weekly gains last week, had tumbled by 3 to 4% in the early hours of trading on Monday. Last Friday, open spec naphtha prices slipped sharply by $16 per metric ton to the $341 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. Last week, ethylene prices witnessed a steep rise in Asia. Stronger upstream crude and naphtha values coupled with limited product availability helped ethylene sellers to raise their prices sharply higher across the Asian regions. Last week, propylene prices climbed higher in Asia. Prices gained mainly on account of high upstream energy values, improved regional buying sentiments coupled with stronger downstream PP demand and pricing trends. Let's take a look at futures on China Dalian Commodity Exchange for today on June 15, 2020. LLDP prices are higher by 5 RMB per metric ton at 6,695 RMB per metric ton. PP prices are up by 8 RMB per metric ton at 7,337 RMB per metric ton. PVC prices are stable at 6,340 RMB per metric ton. In plant news, Sinopec Maoming Petrochemical has brought on stream its 280,000 metric ton per year number 2 LDP unit on June 10, 2020 following an unplanned outage. Located at Guangdong in China, the unit remained offline for about 2 to 3 days. Our special newsreel today is sponsored by Gujarat-based Sumran Master Batch Private Limited. The company offers a wide range of color master batches, black master batches, additive master batches and granules. That's all for today's Polymer News. Watch our daily news video tomorrow to know more. It is Monday, June 15th. I am Shriyal Dhume. Thank you.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/polymerupdate and be sure to click the like button. You can also find us on Twitter at Polymer Update. For the latest news from the plastics and petrochemicals industry, subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.